Any mention?
Me, please, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship. Only allow 2 weeks time, Lordship.
I am there.
Yes.
No objection.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 as the conducting counsel is unavailable today. Conducting counsel is unavailable today, Lordship.
Yes. When do you want it?
2 weeks time may be allowed.
Yes, Mr. Ajarika.
Yeah.
Let's say 13 at the request made on behalf of the petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
No.
May it please, Lordship. We beg to make a joint mention of item 16, Your Lordship.
Joint mention.
Yes, Your Lordship. We pray for 2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
Yes. On the joint prayer made by the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. Your Lordship, we pray for 2 weeks time in this matter, Your Lordship. As the learned DSGI is on legs, Your Lordship, before court number 2.
So for that you need 2 weeks time.
No, Your Lordship, actually it will take some
2
time.
hours should be enough for you.
Your Lordship, then we can keep it at the end of the board.
End of the board. You are ready for hearing, Mr. Jha.
My lord, let it come, since he has said that personal difficulty is also there. So 2 weeks.
No objection.
No.
Please also. You just say Miss So and so, Granite Council. Please, morning, sir, Granite Council. Appearing for the respondent. Please for grant of 2 weeks. Please for adjournment of matter by 2 weeks. Please for adjournment matter by 2 weeks. Mr. Arja, Granite Council, appearing for the petition has no objection. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
Please, Lordship. I beg to make a mention of item 15, Your Lordship. 2 weeks time, Lordship.
Yes.
Not.
Any interim order in this matter?
No, Lordship.
You also at the request of the request made on behalf of the petitioner, list after 2 weeks.
Only obliged.
Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I pray that this matter may kindly be taken up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes. 14. After 2 weeks at the request of the petitioner.
Petitioner.
Yes.
Obliged. What about sir?
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
No, I put a petitioner, Lordship.
Where?
Lordship, Mr. Sangma is for the respondent number 2.
Oh, you are not there, sir?
No, I
In that matter, you are not.
item number 14.
Item 14.
Yes, 14. You want to mention? You are in.
No. Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13.
Yeah. 13 is already mentioned, I think.
My apologies.
Yes.
What's this? Item number 1.
Yes.
Lordship, the state is required to file its affidavit in the matter, my lord.
Which one?
Item 1 to 10, my lord.
This is a supplementary
State
list.
is.
This is a supplementary list, Mr. Jindal. Your matter.
I apologize, ma'am. I apologize, ma'am.
Yes.
Apologize.
May it please your Lordship. My lord, this is an application for quashing of the proceeding pending before the learned sessions judge Nongpo. As the parties to in the criminal trial have already settled their matter outside the court, since one of the offences is not compoundable, therefore
the is not compoundable.
Section 436 IPC.
Yes, and it is punishment. What is the punishment prescribed in that section?
It's mischief by fire or explosive substance with the intent to destroy a house.
What is the punishment prescribed?
Punishment is imprisonment for life or imprisonment for 10 years, Your Lordship.
So can it be settled by an agreement?
Both the parties, the complainant and the accused persons.
So your case here is for quashing is on the basis of a settlement.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And that you have a settlement deed. Have you prepared a settlement deed?
Yes,
Is
Your
there any
Lordship.
settlement deed?
Yes, Your
Prepared
Lordship.
in the
Annexure
matter?
3, page
Annexure 3.
71. They also had one title suit earlier. That title suit has also been settled. Similarly, they want to settle this criminal trial also.
Between the same parties?
Same parties, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Shulai?
Lordship, only this, so far the cost title is concerned, Your Lordship. This is an application filed under the new code. It should not have been, it should be under the old code, Your Lordship. Because as of now, Your Lordship, the application is, the criminal proceeding is pending, Your Lordship. Going by section 531 of the new code, Your Lordship, because it deal only with pending application, Your Lordship. So
You have to correct your petition then.
it has to be corrected.
We will correct it.
If Lordship would like to see that 531. Because what is said by this is pending application, Your Lordship. Pending, should I such copy? Alam. I didn't go.
Yes.
Five three two 5312A, Your Lordship.
Yes. This is an application and a pending matter.
Lordship, yes. Before and there, as come to, there is any appeal, application, trial. So as of now, Your Lordship, the trial in the person is pending, Your Lordship. Pending. So it has to be filed under the.
Yes, what do you say?
We will make the necessary correction, Your Lordship.
So you agree with the submission of the learned AG that it should be under the the old code? Yes, Mr. Sonar.
May I say something? Let the old act has been repealed.
Yes.
So we have filed under a new act.
Now, can it be? Will it be considered as a fresh petition, or it would be considered as a petition in a pending matter?
But as far as this proceeding concern is fresh. So the proceeding before the session court is old. Here it is fresh, my lord.
So you want that your contention is that the petition under the new code will be maintainable.
Yes, madam.
Then we'll have to have a hearing.
Let us let the matter be heard, Your Lordship, on that issue.
Is this issue pending in any other court?
Lordship, in fact, day before yesterday, no? Day before yesterday, they were hearing in court number 3 regarding this issue. But so far the state is concerned, we have advanced our argument only with respect to the applicability relating to the issue as to whether the new code or the old code will be applicable so far the grant of pre-arrest bail or regular bail. That is the contention of the state.
Same thing, the application of the old code and new code.
But in this case, Your Lordship, admittedly, Your Lordship, the trial is pending, Your Lordship. The trial is pending. Nobody can dispute that. The trial is pending. So in view of the fact that the trial is pending, Your Lordship, it has to come under the old code, not under the new code. Once that is disposed of, Lordship, then the new code will be applicable, Your Lordship.
So you want a hearing on that?
If they would like to hear, Your Lordship, that the matter can be.
It's up to you. If you go by these things, you have to correct your petition, and then we can issue notice and all.
My lord, will go for correction.
So that is better.
Because private parties are here, notice.
No. I had learned counsel for the parties. Stop at the outset, Mr. Additional learned AG raise objection. With regard to invocation of section 528 of Bharatiya Nagarik Raksha Sanhita 2023 on the ground that the present application has been filed in a pending criminal proceeding. According to him, The petition should have been filed
And
by invoking the provisions of the
on the date when the
old code.
more proceeding.
Faced with the situation, give a paragraph. Faced with the situation, the learned counsel for the petitioner prays for grant of some time to correct the petition by incorporating the provisions of the old code. Stop. The learned counsel. What you said? So and so faced with the situation, learned counsel prays for grant of some time. Is it? Okay. Then you say the prayer aloud. When shall we have it? Tomorrow, day after. Today is
21st.
Friday. Prayer aloud. List this matter. On Friday, Mr. Sulay?
Then be Lordship, yes.
Day after tomorrow.
Apply your Lordship.
Item number 2.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is the quashing matter which was
Yes.
previously moved.
Have you corrected the cause title?
Corrections have been made, Lordship.
Yes. Okay. Then, yes.
So, Lordship, just to refresh Your Lordship's memory, this matter pertains to a POXO matter, JGB POXO matter, my Lord.
POXO matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Before my friend Mr. Lordship, here also this is a criminal petition. He has filed under the new court Lordship. What my learned senior has submitted that in the preceding earlier matter. That
The same issue.
Yes, it
Yes,
ought to
Your
have been.
So what it should be? New
So
code
I-
or old code?
I'll endorse the submission of my learned
AG.
AG.
Yes. What do you say?
Lordship, based on what has been already advanced by the learned counsel, we will make corrections, my Lord.
It is pointed out by Mr. Sheikh Learned GA appearing for the state respondent that this application has been prepared by invoking the provision of the Bharatiya Nagarik Shiraksha Samhita 2023. Which 23 in a matter in a matter which is pending adjudication under the
This is pending
Provisions.
investigation.
provision of the old code. Stop. The learned counsel for the appellant seeks time to correct the application by incorporating the provisions of the old code. What seeks time for correction of this answer? By incorporating the provision code and for deleting the provisions under which this petition has been filed. When you will do it?
Lordship, if I may be allowed to do it on the 23rd, Your Lordship.
It means Friday.
Monday, next week. Oh no, sorry.
Tuesday Lordship, next week.
Sometime next week, Lordship. Any date.
Just a prayer aloud. This matter after a week. Yes. After the week.
Obliged.
Item number 3.
May I have to some part. I may miss out something. They have to correct. Otherwise, show it to me again. Yes.
Lordship, paper book is not yet ready. So I mean,
may it pleases your Lordship, here also correction needs to be done, your Lordship, because this is an appeal under 374, your Lordship. It is a conviction of 22, your Lordship. So as on the date when this appeal was filed, there is no more pending proceeding, your Lordship, before the trial court. So it ought to have been filed under the new code.
But then we have admitted the appeal already.
Lordship, it was my mistake. I could have
Anyway,
pointed
once
out.
it is admitted, I don't think it will make any difference, material difference.
Lordship, but since the new code has come into force, your Lordship, I just otherwise it makes no difference, your Lordship, because that power is there. Update power is there in this.
Whether it is under old code or new code, it will not make any.
But since it has come into force, there probably has to be.
Okay. The office note indicates that the LC record has been received. That the lower court record has been received. Stuff. This is a legal in matter.
Yes, your Lordship.
The office
Registry will make it.
The paper book. The office to prepare the paper book in the matter. When shall we have it?
Lordship, would advance copy is the registry also furnish the advance copy to us. Then we'll have after 3 weeks, your Lordship. I think by that time it's
yes, it will be ready.
Will be done.
What is it? Registry to prepare within registry to prepare paper book. Prepare paper book in matter. You do not just say let the registry prepare the paper book in the matter. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Apply.
Daily cost list, item number 1.
Lordship, this is your Lordship. Lordship, item number 1, these are analogous matter, your Lordship. Affidavit is very thick, your Lordship. It's quite bulky. We need some more time to do the syrup, your Lordship. Lordship, a week's time may kindly be afforded to us, your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Jindal.
That's fine, my lord. A week may be given.
A week's time only.
Whereas for other items, your Lordship, this person has been added.
We could not follow. Yes. Item number 1 means in writ petition number 174. Yes. Then?
He has been added as
Yes.
and different orders may be passed, your Lordship, other items, your Lordship.
Why you will not be representing him in those cases also?
Yes, your Lordship.
So give the details here.
Don't say okay. Yes.
But then otherwise you filed a position on behalf of this.
Yes, your Lordship.
Okay. Miss so and so Rana County submits that she will no longer the respondent number. Now you have to give the respondent number what in which writ petition, and then you record. You record. Say like respondent number 2 in writ petition number 1, then comma writ petition number 3 in writ petition number so and so so and so. Okay. Any longer. Okay. Then you say, Mr. Andy Shulai.
1 and 2, your Lordship, in all the matters.
AG, a pen to the respondent 1 to
Lordship.
of further week's time, further 1 week's time for filing counter affidavit on behalf of the state. Others have filed, and others all have filed.
You filed, your Lordship.
Just say prayer allowed. List after 1 week. Yes.
Obliged, your Lordship.
One order in all the petitions. And just take from other details. Each respondent, you will not represent him in these things. Just
Apply, your Lordship.
Obliged.
Hearing, item number 12.
Yes. Yeah, yes, yes.
Lordship, I am appearing for the respondent, petitioner.
Yes. We cannot see you, madam. We can hear you, but then we cannot see you. Yes.
Your Honor, I think this is a network issue, but it was clear before some time, but now I am also unable to
Yes, yes.
see.
Yes. Yes, tell us.
Your Honor, yesterday the respondents had informed us that they will take time today due to some medical issues of their senior.
Medical issue of whom?
My lord, I'm not aware of.
Union is a party here.
You, my lord, as per the course, I
not
think it's
Dr.
only
Mujika.
state respondents here, my lord.
So what is to be done then?
My lord, let the matter be adjourned, my lord, and it may be a prayer from the respondents.
Yes, I do not know whether Learned Counsel of the petitioner is still there or not.
My lord.
Yes, Your Lordship, I am still here.
When shall we have it?
After a week, my lord.
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
No objection, my lord.
Just the joint request of the parties. Is this matter of 2 weeks? Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 17.
Ahmed, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So this is a case for quashing of the defamation case, Your Lordship. In fact, there is a judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Subramaniam Swami, Your Lordship, that FIR cannot be lodged in defamation case, Your Lordship. And also there is a judgment also of our own High Court, Your Lordship. If Lordship, I can
non-cognizable.
Lordship, yes, I can produce that, Lordship, after a week, Lordship. There is a judgment of our own High Court.
Yes.
So if a week's time, I'll furnish that judgment of our own High Court. The matter can be closed, Your Lordship.
Yes, because the FIR has been registered against me.
London AG is helping your case.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No, I should be fair, Your Lordship.
Yes,
I should be fair, Your
Lordship.
Lordship.
That is what is expected of you, Mr.
It's
Sulai.
my duty, Your Lordship.
Yes. Okay. Just say on the joint. This also says on the joint.
After week, Your Lordship,
This is matter after a week.
Lordship.
Just give the decision and the.
Lordship, I'll give the decision, Your Lordship.
You have a stay order in your favor, isn't it?
No, there is no stay,
Lordship.
There is no prayer for stay, in fact.
No prayer. Otherwise, my lord, your petitioner is being harassed sometime by the police. That's why.
Apply, Your Lordship. Much less, Lordship.